Ever wonder how brewers move liquid from one container to another without splashing or disturbing all the sediment at the bottom? It is a common challenge, especially in homebrewing, that can often lead to a cloudy final product. Learning to set up and use an auto-siphon with tubing is your key to effortlessly transferring beer, wine, or any liquid during your homebrewing process, keeping your brew clear and your workspace clean. The magic behind this involves a simple scientific principle called siphoning, which uses gravity and atmospheric pressure to move liquid from a higher container to a lower one. An auto-siphon makes starting this flow incredibly easy, and its design helps you draw liquid from above the sediment layer, ensuring a clean transfer every time. First things first, always sanitize your auto-siphon and tubing thoroughly before each use. This prevents unwanted microbes from contaminating your precious brew, which is super important for great tasting results. Next, firmly attach one end of the flexible tubing to the shorter, curved arm of your auto-siphon. Ensure the connection is snug to prevent any leaks or air ingress. Now place your full fermenter, which is your source container, on a sturdy surface like a table or counter. Position your empty receiving vessel, perhaps a bottling bucket or another fermenter, directly on the floor below the source. The height difference is critical for gravity to do its work. Insert the rigid end of the auto-siphon into the source fermenter, being careful to keep the tip well above the yeast sediment, often called the trub, at the bottom. Begin pumping the inner rod of the auto-siphon up and down a few times. You will quickly see liquid flowing into the tubing, indicating that the siphon has successfully started. Once the flow begins, you can let go of the rod, and gravity will continue the transfer automatically. Keep in on the siphon tip and adjust its position as the liquid level drops to avoid sucking up any sediment. When the liquid level in the source fermenter is low, or you have transferred the desired amount, simply lift the auto-siphon out of the liquid to break the siphon. This careful process is often called racking, and mastering it helps minimize oxygen exposure to your beer, preventing off flavors. By following these simple steps, you are not just transferring liquid, you are ensuring a cleaner, clearer finished product with less effort. An auto-siphon becomes an indispensable tool for every homebrewer, making tasks like moving beer for cold crashing or bottling preparation incredibly smooth and stress-free.